In this, advantages of energy plantation system. First one is storage. Storage is the advantages of energy plantation. Solar energy as such cannot be stored. If we want to store in the form of photovoltaic based electricity, we need costly battery cells. If you want to store solar thermal in hot boxes, it also costs considerable amount. Even then, there is a problem of energy loss. Energy plantation store solar energy in the form of wood. There is no problem of energy losses. It is not a costly solution. There is a flexibility for the users in the form of harvesting period and storage of woods. Next advantages is economics. The cost involved in the energy plantation is less than the cost involved in purchasing the fossil fuel like petrol and diesels. The cost of processing wood into charcoal is less compared to the refining of crude mineral oil into kerosene or petrol. The cost of biofuel depends only upon the cost of land and the period of maturity of calories crop. If the period of maturity of fuel plant is less than the cost of production of fuel is comparatively less, the cost of production of biofuel can be reduced by adopting multiple crops and increasing the population density of the energy plantation. Under optimized condition, the cost of biofuel is less than the cost of fossil fuel. Okay. Next advantages of energy plantation is air pollution. Wood and other plant residue contain less than 0.1% sulfur content. Therefore, it produced very less SO2, which is sulfur production during the combustion of biofuels in cooking and other operations. Fossil fuels like petrol and diesel produce more SO2 sulfur during the combustion. Next advantages is ash content. Wood and other plant residue produce more ash during the combustion. The ash contain more plant nutrient. It can be directly used as a fertilizer for the crop growth. This is the advantages. And ecological condition is also advantages of energy plantation. In this, energy plantation can be raised in arid, semi-arid and in unproductive rocky mountain slopes having mostly gravel stones and very little soil. These unproductive land tracts are turned into green belts. This causes more evapotranspirations and soil conversion. This land this leads to more conducive ecological balance, and CO2 balance of the earth is also a advantageous. Combustion of biomass produce large amount of CO2 to the atmosphere. However, it will not affect the CO2 balance in the atmosphere because plant consume more CO2 during the growth stages than the CO2 it releases during its combustion. Combustion of fossil fuels release more CO2 in the atmosphere and takes more O2 from atmosphere for burning than the biomass. Hence, compared to fossil fuels, biomass does not affect CO2 balance of the atmosphere. Okay. Plants proposed for energy plantation, which are the sweet potato, Irish potato, water hedging, Jatropha. are plants proposed for energy plantation.